Good evening, guys. I hope you are doing well and your family is also fine. Today, we are talking about the periodic table. This periodic table is a Mendeleev, invented by Mendeleev. In this periodic table, there are 7 periods and 18 groups. All the elements of the periodic table divide in 5 type elements. First, S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and 5 block elements. The S block elements is called metals, and P block elements are non-metals, inert gases, and metalloids, and other elements. And D block elements are called the transition elements. Join करो जी. Join करो. Now we are talking about the S block elements. The S block elements are the two type of elements. The first group is called alkali metals and the second group is called alkali earth metals. Alkali earth metals is known. What is the meaning of alkali earth metals? All the elements of the second group are found in the abundant in the earth. मतलब our earth में पाए जाते हैं सारे metals. फिर अब हम बात करने वाले हैं p block elements. Now we are talking about the p block elements. The p block elements are called non-metals and halogens and inert gases. The p block elements started from group number 13 to 18. The 13 group is called boron group. The 14 group is called carbon group. The 15th group is called nitrogen group. And the 16th group is called oxygen group. Oxygen group is also called chalcogens. And the 17th group is called halogens. And the 18th group is called noble gases. So we are talking about now we are talking about the transition metals. Transition metals are called the D block elements. The D block elements started from group 3rd to group 12. You see two lines in the bottom side of the periodic table. This is the this element is called the F block elements. In F block elements, the first row is called lanthanides, the second row is called actinides. So now we are talking about some famous elements of the periodic table. First, everybody knows this, the first metal of the periodic table is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element of the periodic table, and the second lightest element is helium. Now we are talking about the noble gases. The noble gases. What is the characteristics of the noble gases? Noble gases are the outer 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 shell of the noble gases is completely complete. So they are not easily lose electron or gain electrons. उनके बाह्यतम कोश में चार जो लास्ट बाह्यतम कोश जो उनका होता है वो पूरा फिल होता है, इसलिए वो किसी से भी रिएक्शन नहीं करती हैं और ना ही किसी से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेती है और ना ही किसी को इलेक्ट्रॉन देती हैं, इसीलिए हम इन्हें नोबल गैसेस कहते हैं. The noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Second, we are talking about the halogens. Halogens. Hi, hi Verma ji, how are you? Halogens. The first element of the halogen is fluorine. The second is chlorine and beryllium, iodine, antimony. Now we are talking about the halogens. Halogens are easily loaded, easily gain electrons. They they have always the minus charge, and the s block elements of the first group is the easily lose electrons. The s block first group is the elements is called metals. The most important uh, element of this periodic table is carbon. The atomic number of the carbon is 4, the valency of carbon is 4, atomic number of carbon is 6, and the valency of this carbon is 4. And nitrogen, the atomic number of the nitrogen is 7, and the atomic number of the oxygen is 8, and the atomic number of the sodium is 11. Sodium is the most important element of for our body, and the sodium element found in our kitchen, rasoi, NaCl. NaCl is the chemical name of the chemical formula of the namak, NaCl, and the chemical name of the namak is sodium chloride. When sodium and chloride are reaction with each other, then we find the namak and sodium chloride. I hope you are doing well and your family is also fine. Now this is time to the end of the session. So the basic knowledge of the periodic table is the periodic table have the 7 periods and 18 groups, and periodic table have the 4 type elements. The first is S block, second is P block, the third is D block, and the fourth is F block elements. The D block elements is also called transition elements. The block elements is also called lanthanides and actinides. Thank you guys. Have a nice day and wish you very very क्या हुआ? Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.